Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video you will learn how to change color of hair. If you're going to learn, watch the video till the end. Well, first you have to select the hair. And now click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now the hair is separated by a layer. Click on the hair layer and go to the adjustments. Click on hue and saturation. Click on this so that the other sections do not change. Now you can change color of hair. It was so easy, yes? If you want to support me, you can like this video, and for more videos you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Good luck.